Japan's condominium investment market is changing. In May 2026, the average gross yield for condominium investment properties in Japan fell to 6.50%, the lowest level since the survey began. At the same time, the average property price rose to about 27.15 million yen. So why are property prices going up while rental yields are falling? The answer is quite simple. Gross yield is calculated by dividing annual rental income by the property price. If rental income stays relatively stable, while the property price increases, the yield naturally goes down. For example, if a property generates 1.8 million yen in annual rent and costs 30 million yen, the gross yield is 6%. But if the same property rises to 35 million yen, while the rent remains the same, the yield falls to about 5.1%. This is exactly the kind of situation investors are facing in today's Japanese real estate market. But what does this mean for investors? First, lower yields can make it more difficult to generate strong cash flow. Higher purchase prices can also mean higher loan repayments, while management fees, repairs, taxes, and vacancy risks can further reduce the amount of money left over. That's why investors should not judge a property based only on its advertised yield. You also need to calculate the actual cash flow after expenses. There is another important trend. Some investors are becoming more interested in property value and future resale potential, rather than focusing only on rental income. In other words, the investment decision is increasingly about both income and capital gains. So, should you avoid Japanese real estate because prices are rising? Not necessarily. The key is to look at the specific property, location, rental demand, expenses, financing conditions, and potential exit strategy. Japan's real estate market is changing, and today's high prices require investors to be more selective. The most important question isn't simply, what is the yield? It's, does this property still make sense at this price? Understanding the market before you buy can help you make smarter real estate investment decisions in Japan.